Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create spinning city effect on Instagram story. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my Instagram and first of all, I'm going to create an Instagram story. I'm going to click on this plus icon and I'm going to select story. Okay, and I'm going to click on this option. And if you want to create spinning city effect, we can click on music. All right, and you can choose the music you want to add to your Instagram story, and I'm just going to choose this one. Okay, and as you can see guys, that a spinning city effect has been created. And for your information guys, that this is new feature on Instagram. So if you don't have this feature, or if this feature hasn't appeared on your Instagram, you have to update your Instagram application on your Play Store or Apple Store. Again, after that, I'm going to click on your story to share the story to my Instagram. Alright guys, and that's all the way to create spinning city effect on Instagram story. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.